Hi, I'm Tracy.
Hi, and I'm Jamina. We are part of a specialized team developing multi-material solutions in Makino Additive Manufacturing Service Bureau.
As one of the only service bureau in the market, we also provide a solution in hybrid and additive manufacturing with a strong focus on laser metal deposition (LMD).
Now, we will show you how we make this possible. So what do we mean by multi-material applications? It is the ability to combine two different materials with contrasting properties into a single build or component. This allows us to engineer parts with enhanced performance, tailored functionality, and improved cost efficiency. For example, we can integrate wear-resistant alloys to only where it is needed, while keeping the rest of the parts lightweight and thermally conductive. This means better durability, smarter use of materials, and fewer compromises in design. But it is not as easy as just stacking layers. When you combine metals with very different thermal properties, high heat input can introduce thermal stress, leading to plastic deformation, and eventually defects like wrinkling, cracks, or pores will occur where thermal gradients are high or cooling behavior are different. This is where our expertise at Makino makes a difference. Using AML 500, a laser metal deposition machine, we develop a tightly controlled process by carefully regulating process parameters such as laser power, powder mass flow rate, and inert gas flow.
Let's now look at a real-world example. One of our customers came to us with challenges in their plastic injection molding process used to create baby bottle nipple. Their conventional tool steel inserts were holding them back, causing excessive heat retention, longer cycle times, and premature tool wear, all of which compromise part quality and production efficiency. Our solution for them was to redesign the insert using our multi-material approach. By fusing tool steel with a copper alloy core, we placed the high thermal conductivity exactly where it was needed for rapid cooling, while retaining the strength of the steel on the surface.
What we've achieved at Makino goes beyond bringing two metals together. We're creating engineered interface optimized at a microstructural level to meet demanding performance requirements without losing structural integrity. This is what makes LMD multi-material not just innovative, but also ready for real-world production.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned more about multi-material application. For any inquiry, do not hesitate to drop us an email. Bye-bye.